this store only goes to 7, it's high heat, like literally no other option. If you turn it down, it goes off.
You will keep moving it faster.
Yeah.
I see.
So it'll take about 2-3 minutes. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
No. Tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Tomate in Spanish.
Tomates.
Tomate.
Okay.
Yeah, Spanish is the only
Tomato, tomate, tomatoes.
You know what we call it in Morocco?
What?
Matesha.
Matesha. Oh my god, that's completely different.
tomato, but there's this matesha.
Mate,
It's
yeah.
like an
Toma,
essential.
toma, but it's mate. Matesha.
Matesha.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because in Arabic is amate. Is
Amate.
tomate. It's
Tomate.
close to tomato. Tomato, tomate. But
Tomato,
Moroccan
tomate.
dialect
Amate.
is really
Okay, so you forget the teeth. So
Yeah.
amate.
we make it different.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
You
alright.
know, all the Arabs,
Yeah.
they say the Moroccan dialect is the most hard one.
Really?
The Arab. The Arab,
Yeah.
they say the most difficult dialect is the Moroccan.
Really?
Because we make it like, how we want,
Yeah.
how it's easy for us. Like USA, like
Yeah,
American,
yeah.
they make it short. Like,
Yeah,
like what is easy for them, they make it.
Really?
How do you want tomatoes in the pan or in the, I mean,
Bread.
crudo or?
It's up to you guys. If you want, you can cut some more after and put them in live, and then a little bit in the pan, a little bit after.
So this is
Will
the
you
pan.
cook or?
A little bit cooked, a little bit cooked, a little bit sliced.
Okay.
Wash.
What? First onion and then what was the question?
She doesn't like paprika.
Paprika?
Yeah, because tomato it
Paprika?
should be like a fast cooking. Tomato is fast
The last,
cooking. Can you take yours? Can you take
Sorry.
No,
You
I
want
care,
it?
I care about it.
Oh.
You have to be, to be careful.
He's looking after me. Thank you. He's looking lovely, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
You don't know, but we are already in.
Yeah?
Shalom.
I better start.
I would like to keep it like a memory.
Yeah, that's awesome. Man.
Yeah, like to just be
That really
spontaneous.
like that.
No, because my hand was full. It was full. What is mean in UK? If someone do it.
It's
What
a
is
woman.
mean?
That means like,
What is
so
mean?
you're supposed to grab my arm as well. That is a handshake from the
So
Vikings.
if I didn't.
Do you know the actual reason behind it? It's because in the olden days, when they used to get rid of their weapons, they used to get the weapons out when they went for a meeting, and that was to make sure that they didn't have any weapons in their sleeves.
So it was a checking.
Yeah, I know it. When
So
I
if
did
you
it,
felt something there, you'd like,
yeah. When I didn't do it, I feel it. The reaction is say, oh.
yeah.
So what does it mean if I didn't do it? What does it mean?
If you didn't do it,
Yeah, if I didn't shake your hand,
didn't shake my hand.
if I didn't take this, if I just do, like, come to me, I just do like, what is it?
that would have been like a sign of disrespect, like,
Exactly.
or I instantly distrust you, and I'd be like, this guy's got weapons on him.
That's the same meaning, but in Morocco, if you do like this, it's a good one.
Yeah.
And if you come like that and they do like that,
Yeah,
it means that's what you mean about this. It's the same.
okay.
If I didn't do like that,
yeah.
that's the
So-
respect. If I do just like that and
So
you come,
a traditional handshake would be
It's
like
like-
that,
yeah.
and strong.
yes.
And that's a strong man.
Exactly. It's me, I respect and look to the eyes.
Yeah, exactly.
And if I do just like that, It's mean like
week.
I didn't expect you know. I just like that shit happened like wow.
Exactly.
So the same way you do like that.
Exactly. The handshake is universal. Every country, it's all the same. But if I say,
Yeah. And it's not about the
Exactly.
it's all about
handshake, the strength, everything. And if you had a weak handshake, so if you were like that and I was strong, I was like, I can take this guy in a fight, no problem. It's all about everything. Right, yeah, okay. We haven't even started on bacon yet, have we? So,
You already put the.
yeah, that's, she doesn't like, peppers or anything like that,
So we do that as
so I just put a little bit of something. Sorry. Yeah, no, you carry on. You take over if you want.
Everyone have to make like like a touch.
Yeah, everyone has to take a turn.
You feel like we share.
Oh, brilliant.
Alex doing like.
Oh, brilliant.
That's meaning the other body in his
Yeah.
how cool.
No, it's more like what the fuck. It's more like what the fuck. Yes, it's like actually.
You mean
More butter.
I think a little bit more important.
no, just I will put it together.
It's so
Salt covered.
like.
Less sugar. Yeah, it's that's salt. It's really fucking comes out quick. So be careful.
How many egg?
One per person.
What we're saying?
4, 5.
That much?
5?
Yeah, there. In the egg. Yeah. Just checking. He's already failed 1 out of 2.
Is it on?
Oh.
Wait.
Right. Are we ready for the bed?
I think it's start with
Yeah, start the bacon. The eggs are nearly ready. So.
Amazing.
the teamwork. I think Nadine, she doesn't know that she has in her life show.
No. We're being recorded.
Absolutely.
And you are right in the shot.
You have to do your touch.
Gordon Ramsay right now.
Yeah.
Book out the shot!
She has to do the touch, right? She has to do it, some touch, you know?
I have to do what?
Some touch. Something in the...
Clean afterwards. What?
No, not just about cleaning, about to make the food ready. To cook it.
Oh yeah, you've got to do something.
What is left to do?
I'll tell you what, you've got to do the tops.
You will put it in without or
Yeah.
now?
You got to time them to the bacon. So when the bacon, first set of bacon's ready, you better be ready with that toast. So, come on.
Tell me when you put it. You the best woman. Yeah. That's my job. That's how they call me. Only close friends. Yeah.